you to where you are right now as champions. Ano nararamdaman mo?
Grabe, I'm just so grateful with this bunch of group na, won this championship. We started from 11th this conference, and then no one really believed that we could win the championship, except this special group that we have here, from the coaches, from the players, to the management. So now it's just, parang lahat ng pinaghirapan namin na ito na yung reward namin.
What did you feel, about your championship? And this is your first, right, with Miracle. So how is it?
Surreal. It feels like a movie, honestly. Words cannot describe how unreal it feels. To do it with such a special group of guys as well. New keeps saying it, but we all really support each other, and I couldn't have asked for better teammates to do it with. So yeah.
The moment na nalaman nyo na syempre na kayong champions, ano yung unang-unang nangyari sa'yo? Ano unang mong ginawa sa court?
Siyempre, unang-una, nagpasalamat ako sa Panginoon kasi yung opportunity na binigay niya sa amin, sobrang laki. So, I thank the Lord sa blessing na binigay niya sa akin. And then, yun, tsaka ako nag-celebrate.